This question is from GATE 2025 Electronics and Communication branch, question number 44. Okay, and it has been asked from the subject Communication Systems on the topic Quantization Error and SNR Calculation. Okay, and it's a 2 marks question. Okay, so question number 44. Okay, a 10-bit analog to digital converter ADC has a sampling frequency of 1 MHz and a full scale voltage of 3.3 volt. Okay, for an input sinusoidal signal, this is very important statement. Okay, for an input sinusoidal signal with frequency 50 kilohertz 500 kilohertz, the maximum SNR in dB scale rounded off to 2 decimal places and the data rate in Mbps at the output of the ADC are respectively. So I need to find the correct options. So this is the NPTEL reference. You can go through this lecture. Okay, so I'm going to solve this question. Solution. Okay, so given, what are the things given? Let me write. So it's given there are 10 bits, so I'm considering n is equal to 10 bits. Okay, and the sampling frequency f of s is 1 megahertz. Okay, next I have full scale with this value, full scale value it is given. So anyway, it is not required to solve this one. So 3.3 volt. Okay, and I need to find SNR. Okay, in dB. Okay, maximum SNR I need to find. Also I need to calculate the data rate at the output of ADC. I need to calculate these two items. Okay, so in case of sinusoidal signal, we know that one standard formula for calculating this maximum SNR for n bits. So the maximum SNR for n bits, so this is the standard formula. So this is 6.02, this in dB scale. Okay, n plus 1.76, so in dB. Okay, so if I club the value of n is 10. Okay, so 6.02 into 10 plus 176 in dB. So finally I will get, if I add these two, so it will be 61.96 dB. So this is my maximum SNR for 10 bits. Okay, next part, I need to find the data rate. Okay, so data rate, so since the sampling frequency is 1 megahertz and each sample is converted into 10 bits, so the data rate at the output will be, so the data rate will be, so data rate at the output of ADC will be, okay, will be 10 into f of s, because I need to convert it to 10 bits and the sampling frequency is fs. Okay, so it will be 10 into 1 megahertz. Okay, so 1 mega, the next the unit will be bps, so bits per second. Okay, so if I multiply this, so it will be 10 mbps. So the final answer is like I got SNR, maximum SNR is I got 61.96 dB, and this data rate is 10 mbps. So this is my answer. Okay, if I check the option, okay, if I check the option, so 61.96 in dB and 10 mbps. Okay, so option A is correct for this question. Okay, thank you.